Little does he know, this shit don't close.
Hey, nephew, let me tell you something. You don't open the door on a grown man when he's in the house. That's not funny, nephew.
Still on.
Flip phone ringing, yo ho calling, birds keep singing, trap still ballin', guns get slanging, yo skin crawling, acid dipping, my eyes falling. Flip phone ringing, yo ho calling, birds keep singing, trap still ballin', guns get slanging, yo skin crawling, acid dipping, my eyes falling. Tell Raw Shotty I'm a nobody, riding with K, riding in that Humvee, pushing suicides, yeah we push it real sloppy. DS on me, push it on the IB, sipping on Kirby, lip is still dirty. $20 phone, bitch I'm worthy, bitch you all alone. Best call Murray, paint job drippy like a McFlurry. Straight drop hit me, same color Slurpee. Got the hair stick, cut on the derby. Make a fuck boy flip just like an SB. Running up the field so much I want an SB. Fuck boy, yeah we keep the switchblade tucked. Cut for about fucking $50. Bad bitch in the truck, yeah she down to fuck. Bass boosted on the trunk, yeah you get a crumb.
Blue pill or red pill? Blue pill, red pill. Red pill. What the? Getting a blue
He gonna use red pill for that.
I use the red pill.
Hey, let me holler at you, nephew.
Nefru.
I ain't need
Nephew, talk to her.
I ain't need no blue
Talk
chew.
to her.
I ain't got no ED.
Watasha who cuckoo. Talk to her, coon.
Hey, let me show off the fit. It's already rolling.
Damn, okay, we got the, okay.
He goaded. Take off your hat.
Let me look at the shoes, let me see the shoes. God,
That's Chuck.
them
That's
Chucks.
Chucks.
They peep the George.
Hey, Chucks needs them hoes
removable
back,
buckle.
bruh. He needs them back, bruh. Ooh.
Post-Zen interview. How we
Post-Zen?
doing? Yeah.
You know,
Describe it.
very nice, gentlemen.
Do you
so
think kids should use them?
absolutely not.